It would make you puke. It was stinky.
So what up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into the channel. I'm my guy Dave. Son's driving me up here to pick up some product. We got Cam back there. I got some stuff from this place before, but I got it shipped. This time I decided to come pick up because it took so long to get it. It's about 45 or 50 minutes away from me, and it's in the sticks. I mean, y'all seen the B-roll, but we're about there. I'm gonna go in here, get it, get back home, and show you guys what I got. All right.
One's pink for the little girl.
What's your name?
I guess
I'm David Weaver.
Weaver.
I hate this part. I'm gonna tell you what. I got a wife, 2 daughters, a son-in-law,
Them son-in-laws are draining.
and grandkids. Get my bank. I give my bank an extra $4,000 a month in my house.
It's probably over here.
That hose.
This thing, I did wash it.
You just
It
passed
still don't
it.
look so
Gray
good.
and orange.
Oh, I thought good.
Make you want to puke.
Yeah.
It would make you puke. It was stinky. Ricky had a ball.
All right, back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. Well, look at this. Wife put up the Christmas tree. You see that Christmas tree? Oh, and Cam, tell him your birthday's today. Shout out to Cam.
And I'm looking fresh.
You looking fresh? Got the haircut. Tell him that's what we just got back from, man. 8. But anyway, put up the tree, right?
This tree's tall.
Yeah, it's 9.5 feet. So, shout out to my wife and the kids. Tree's looking nice. The only thing about it, she wants to buy different ornaments every year. So, oh my God, that's another story. I'm not even gonna go there. Thanks a lot, baby. Looks great. Got this box of stuff, some nice goodies. I'm gonna go through that. But hey, this place I went to, as you can see, man, they didn't believe in masks at all. It's over in Indiana, across the bridge. Indiana's wild, ain't it? When you was there, you was like, where the mask at?
That's why we didn't go in.
Yeah, that's why I told y'all to sit in the car, and I went in there with my
You
mask.
got there ready to have. You went straight out.
Yeah, they ain't thinking. I mean, anyway, we ain't gonna go there. Anyway, but there was some cool people, man. Shout out to the ladies that went over the mask. Cool people. It's my first time actually hitting that auction up, but I'm glad I did, and I probably do it a lot more. But got this. But what I want to say is, they hooked your brother up too, man, for free. I guess the dude, he gets a hog or a cow, and he sells meat usually. Usually they have I think he said Saturday auction, and he sells meat as well. He gets a hog, slices it up, ribs, steaks, and he hadn't been able to do that lately, so he has a bunch of extra meat. And look what you did with your boy, man. Look what he did. Did Mommy make some bacon? Nah, I ain't
No,
good.
that's it.
I'm gonna pull it out because I don't want you don't have to, look in my refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? Look at your boy. We already made one roast, and it was great. Tenderloin or whatever. Look what he did. Look what he gave your boy. He said, you like ribs? You like bacon?
I like bacon.
You like roast? Here you go.
Bruh.
You want some more? You want some more? And he just hooked your boy up. That was worth the trip alone right there. So we gonna be eating on some good ribs. You know what I'm saying? What is that? That's bacon right there.
I need this.
You know what I'm saying? Pork tenderloin and some ribs. So shout out to them for hooking your boy up, because hey, some good eating, some good product. Can't beat that, right? Let's lay some of this stuff out. Alright, let's go through this box real quick. Hopefully you can see me. I don't know, I'm on my GoPro. Sorry for the echo. I'm gonna knock this out real quick. I got a bunch of stuff. I got a bunch of Harley Davidson hats, some jerseys and stuff. Let's just go through them real quick. First thing, I got this captain's hat, Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson hats do good in general, but the captain's really does good. This is old one. I say, don't get me the line, but the ones I seen said they was back in the 50s and 60s, 70s, who knows? I don't know, but nice hat. These going, if this was new condition, I seen them going all the way up for a couple of $100, $300, $400, but this one's kind of messed up. It got stains and stuff all over, so we'll see. I might throw it on there for $100 bone, $150, and see what happens. Got that. Got a couple wraps, Harley-Davidson wraps. Let's go right into the jerseys since they're on top. Some old jerseys, Blizzards.
Ooh, that's huge.
It's a big jersey, ain't it? An old Chronos jersey. I need to do some more research on this. But this is an old, look like baseball Chronos. Cedar Rapids Chronos. You see that?
You can like wear that.
Wilson.
You can probably wear that.
Yeah, but I need this money. I ain't about to wear none of this. I got clothes. Yeah.
Bruh.
Yeah.
St. Louis, old one. Very vintage. 27 on the back. Rollins. Doing good with the jerseys. As y'all know, I sold that one for $350. Great buy by me, right? Shout out to your boy. Shout out to me for buying stuff. That's my new thing. Shout out to me, all right? You gotta shout yourself out sometimes. You understand what I'm saying? So, t-shirt coming soon. Got this Blizzard one too. This one's nice. I got this, and this one actually came with the hat. So I'm gonna sell these together probably. Should be able to get a pretty good price for these. These are fairly old. This one's a Paraded by Pride USA. Blizzards, got Blizzards on the back. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys up to date on if I can get. If I find some of these comps, I'll probably put them on the screen because I haven't looked up any of this. I looked up some just to kind of get an idea, but I haven't really pinpointed everything. So hopefully I have the comps on the screen as well. Now I got this one. This one's fairly dirty. And another thing, I spent, for this whole box, I spent $300. So, I see a couple pieces that should get my money back in here, and I got a bunch in here, so we'll see. Just in case you was wondering what I spent. This right here, one more thing before I keep going. This is the number of lots. I think I won like 10 lots. So it's a bunch of lots together, and just all in one box. So I spent, like this right here, this jersey, I spent $21 on, you know. Now this one right here, by the pictures I thought it was cleaner. This is fairly dirty. I might put it in the washer, but it's an old hockey jersey.
That thing big as heck.
This one's super big, and this might be a game worn. That's why it's so big. And I don't know, we'll see.
Dang.
Guess I got that. Old leather vest. Phase 2 vest, but it got some Harley-Davidson patches sewed in on it, or stitched on. Okay, here's another Harley-Davidson hat, captain's hat. Jean with the chain. Pretty nice hat. Like I said, man, these hats right here, they do pretty good. Another hat. Now, this one right here has some wear on it. Still a nice hat. This right here, Herbert Johnson. Somebody's at my door. Let me go check. All right, I'm back. That was my mom. Came over to drop Cam something off for his birthday, right? What was I saying? Herbert Johnson hat. Look up Herbert Johnson, man. A lot of his hats do pretty good. This is one of those old Sherlock Holmes, like he can wear it anyway type. I don't know. I have to do some research and see what that's first. So it's the old vintage right there. This right here would just happen to come with this old Vans hat, but it still got a tag on it. Van. Another Harley-Davidson wrap. Leather. Another Harley-Davidson hat. This one has a tag on it still. Red hat. I actually looked this one up, but this one's got all kind of, these are older hats, like I said, look like the leathers. But believe it or not though, people are buying these hats. They like to get these old hats and restore them. So if you ever see a hat and you look up the comp, but you say your hat is probably all tore up, sell it anyway, because people get them because they can't buy stuff like that no more. Another captain's hat, Harley Davidson. This is a little Eddie Bauer hat, older hat. Kango style. I got this one, man. It's old military. I think it's World War II era. Not sure. I gotta do some more research on it. You'd think I know from doing all the research on them patches. That's all. But this is the reason why I know it's from the World War II era, just because of the patch right here. But and the Eagles looking over that. Anyway. Another Captains. I got two of the same. Harley Davidson. But Harley Davidson crazy. Another wrap. I guess it's a good car. Another Harley Davidson. I looked this one up and these actually do pretty good. I could get 100 plus on these. And this is in good condition too. So yeah, we'll see. Like I said, you know, I always keep you updated. Here's another shirt. It's a vintage turtleneck St. Louis shirt. Probably can get a $20 bone, $30 bone for that. Another hat. It's a regular style, but it got the chain in the front, leather. It's actually in great condition. So see what we can get for that. Made in USA, of course. And then I got a bunch of stuffed animals. These are older animals. Like this is a 1990s Philly mascot type deals. It's 1990s vintage one. There's another one. This is the what do you want? It's the Wallace and Gromit. They usually do pretty good, Wallace and Gromit. Anyway, it's an old one. This is what year? 1989. 1989. I'm running out of space over here, y'all. Braves. Yes. 1990s. Little Braves joint. 1990, not 1990. This is a Charleston Wheeler. That's 1980 something. Let's see. A lot of stuff I'm seeing for the first time. I knew I had them in here, but there's an old Tro. Santa Claus. That gotta be 80s. I need to list that quick. Somebody might get that for Christmas. A little short. Big T is what they call them. And Plush does pretty good. I'm glad Plush all the time, but some people like this old Plush. It's an old St. Louis Cardinals one. Oh, signed by Billy. I don't know. Anybody know that signature? Let me know in the comments. Not familiar. So we got that one. Oh, another wrap to go on your head. Motorcycle type Harley Davidson. Like a bandana looking one. And last but not least, West Virginia joint. West Virginia teddy bear. And this one's 1983. So yeah, that's about it. Here's my little manifest. I paid, $300 on the dot. And I paid the most for, I paid, the $34 is the most I paid for a lot. And that was a bunch of Harley Davidson, 4 Harley Davidson hats for $30. I'll take that back. That hat and jersey, I paid $40 for. But I should do very good on that. So yeah, I've been trying to buy precisely, if you understand what I'm saying. Like I haven't just been picking up a bunch of lots and only 5 things is good in the lot and the rest of it's trash. I did that in the beginning and that's why I still got a lot of trash now. But now I'm buying stuff that I know everything can pretty much go. I'm picking and choosing and I can do that now because I always tell you, I got a full-time job. I don't have to rush to get product, but lately product just been falling on my lap. Yes, so hey, you gotta get it while the getting's good. With this pandemic going on, stuff closing down, you don't know how long, stores is gonna be closing, Goodwills might close again. So you guys be aware of that. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.